Good morning, everyone. In a world that is ever-changing, technology has become one of the most important aspects of education. Technology is perhaps the strongest factor shaping the educational landscape today. I, Surekha Singh, am extremely glad to announce that GD Goenka Public School is launching Atal Tinkering Lab under the aegis of Niti Aayog, an initiative of Central Government of India to cultivate an innovative mindset amongst high school students across the country. The objective of launching ATL in GD Goenka Public School is to create workspace that is suitable for young minds to learn innovative skills, develop ideas via hands-on activities in a flexible environment. Atal Innovation Mission, that is AIM, has taken a holistic approach to ensure creation of problem-solving, innovative mindset in schools. This is also to help to build innovative solutions for India's unique problems, thereby supporting the nation's efforts to grow as a knowledge economy. ATL is a workspace that enables young minds to shape their ideas through hands-on, do-it-yourself mode. Young children are offered opportunities to work with tools and equipment to understand the concept of STEM, that is science, technology, engineering and mathematics. ATL is a state-of-the-art space established in a school with a goal to foster curiosity and innovation in young minds between grades 6 to 12 across the country through 21st century tools and technologies such as Internet of Things, 3D printing, rapid prototyping tools, robotics, miniatured electronics, do-it-yourself kits, and many more. By providing access to various ATL resources, students can come up with innovative and practical solutions for problems thriving in the community. My best wishes to all. Keep learning, keep experimenting, and keep growing. Thank you.